all on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy got a cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now, it's been 6 months and I'm finally getting to the grinder sandwich. Sorry about that, but I be so busy, but here you go. So we got some banana peppers, some Duke's mayonnaise, we got some garlic spread, we got some red wine vinegar, and some yellow mustard, and that's going to be pretty much our dressing. So go on with how much mayo you want. This sandwich is very wet, so you kind of judge how you want it. So I went on with the mayo, then the yellow mustard, then I hit up with a couple splashes of red wine vinegar, and then I did season this with some black pepper. You don't want to put salt on this because you're using ham, salami, and pepperoni, and those meats are already salty, so don't add salt. You don't need it. All right, once you get that mixed in, go ahead and dilute that a little bit more with a little of that banana pepper juice, and that's going to give you a little more flavor, a little more heat, a little more tang, a little more acid. But yeah, go ahead and get your dressing. Go ahead and pop that in the fridge, and then we'll go ahead and get our salad together. So I'm putting a red onion in my salad, and that's just like a quarter of a red onion. Just slicing it down into julienne slices. All right, from that red onion, go ahead and pop that on some lettuce. And the lettuce, you pretty much put how much lettuce you want to put on her. I'm doing a sandwich big enough for a whole family, so this sandwich will feed a lot of people. So you see I went on with the lettuce, the red onion, then the banana peppers, and then I went on with my dressing. Go ahead and mix that up. Once you get the salad mixed up, go ahead and pop that in the fridge, and then we're going to get our bread working. So this is a whole French loaf from Publix. I just sliced it in half. Like I said, I'm making enough sandwich to feed quite a few people, so this is not a one-person sandwich. It's massive. All right, so go ahead and get that garlic spread on that French bread, and we're going to turn that French bread into garlic bread. Once you have that down, go ahead with your cheese. And for cheese, I'm using Gruyere. In theory, I was going to use Gruyere and provolone, but I forgot to get the provolone, so never mind that. All right, from the Gruyere, we're going on with the Black Forest ham, and all these are boar's head meat. All right, and from the Black Forest ham, we went on with some salami, and then we went ahead and hit it with some good quality Parmesan. And from there, we're going to pop that aside, and then we're going to work on our top bread. All right, our top bread, we're going to layer it the same way, but we got more Gruyere. And then from that Gruyere, we do have the cracked pepper turkey, oven roasted turkey breast. All right, and from that cracked pepper turkey breast, we went on with some pepperoni and then some more Parmesan. But when it comes to the meats, you can do the meats any way you want. If you don't like pork, you can use more turkey or whatever. Even if you like prosciutto, you can use prosciutto. But once we got those layered, we popped that in under the broiler for about 4 minutes just to get everything toasted up. And then we're going on with our Roma tomatoes. From our Roma tomatoes, we're going to put a little more black pepper on there. You want that pepper to stand out. And then from the black pepper, you're going to pop your salad over the tomatoes. And now it's time to close it, and that's probably the hardest part of building the sandwich, is actually closing it. All right, especially this sandwich. Like I said, this sandwich is massive. If you're doing it for one person, I should have did a smaller sandwich, but had quite a few people over, so we did a big sandwich. All right, and then what we did with the top of the French loaf is we turned that into kind of like Italian urban cheese bread from Subway. We just popped some of that garlic spread on there, followed by some of that Parmesan, and then we popped it under the broiler just to get everything toasted up, and the cheese a little bit more melty. And look at that, we're busting it open right there. And there you have it, man, the most amazing grinder sandwich from the Bistro. Like I said, y'all been asking me to make this sandwich for about 6 months now, and I tried my best not to make this sandwich, but I said, man, I gotta eventually give the people what they want. And there you have it, man, the grinder sandwich. It was really incredible. tad bit wet, but if you toast your bread as long as I toasted my bread, it was very crispy, so it kind of absorbed some of that liquid and it didn't get soggy. It kind of stayed crispy, and that was from just turning that French bread into garlic bread. And this was some fresh French bread, like she literally just baked it when I picked it up. But yeah, man, the grinder sandwich from the Bistro, the TikTok viral sensation grinder sandwich, just my take on it. You can use any meats or cheeses you want to use, but the whole part about it is making it yours and just having fun with it. Like I said, you don't have to make a sandwich this massive, but if you got a family or a group of 10 people or whatever, this sandwich will feed the masses. But yeah, man, there you have it, the most incredible grinder sandwich family style from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. We just hit 3,000 subscribers, man. I want to thank you guys so much for being on this journey and staying locked in, and I love you guys, and we're going to be back with some more incredible videos. But yeah, the most amazing grinder sandwich from the Bistro. I'm out.